Most people use the other part of the Soothie. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, where'd it go? Oh, good catch. You picked it up with your mouth. Maybe doesn't really like us to give her the Soothie now. But she likes to put it in herself. Oh, can you show us how tall you can stand up? Wow! Push up. Is your arm stuck? Go ahead. Oh, hi. Hi, big kid. Hi, big kid.